Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a wedding invitation card on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to um, go to your page. Let's assume you've signed up. Just once you're on this, go to the dashboard here and you will see a section labeled wedding. Here you can choose the various templates and themes you are looking for. If you want it to be a bridal shower wedding or a bridal shower card rather, you can choose from here: a bachelorette party or bachelor's party, a wedding reception, rehearsal dinner, or anything you really want to. Even just wedding, you can still just scroll and choose any of these. But since we are looking for wedding, let's just choose click on wedding reception, and we would find a suitable template to work with. So from here, okay, so from here we can choose the template of our liking. So remember, there are premium invitations and free ones. So let's assume I want to work with something like this. All I have to do is just to click on it and wait for the page to load. Then I will be able to edit the template properly and use the appropriate pictures and text to pass across my message. So once it's like this, I can add a photo, I can edit the text here, and we can proceed. So from here we can add the photo we want to add here. We can click on text to edit the text beneath the photo. Celebrate with us, good. And once choose the next text, and also choose your text style and size and even color if you want to. So you can edit all of your text here using this text editor box by the right. Remember to also upload your photo. Once you are done, click on next or event details, where we can add other events to our invitation. So we can now add our title, we can add our date and time, we can also add our guest of honor and co-host, location, notes from host, and the rest. Next, now click on gifting, which is the next step, which is also optional. Now you can add from any of these, but since I do not want that, you can just click on next. Now you can now add our guest and our wedding evite will be ready. So once we are done with this, just click on finish and add guests. Okay, I did not do any of this, so I cannot add my guest for now, but for the purpose of this class, I'm sure we've understood properly. So guys, let me know what to think about this video below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.